Today we will start a new chapter, Oceania. Okay, so let's start. At first, we learn about some important fact about Oceania. Oceania is the collective names for the island which is scattered throughout the southern part of the Pacific Oceans, and it is called Oceania due to its fragmented oceanic island group which is scattered over the vast oceans, and it is also called Australasia for its australs means southern. The word australs means southern. Okay, and this continent consists about 10,000 islands, and only 3 crore 51 lakh 62 thousand 670 persons people live on in this continent. Okay, and its locations is 15 degree north latitude in the north and 47 degree south latitude, okay, in the south, and longitudinal extension is 114 degree east longitude in the west and 180 degree longitude in the east longitude. Okay, and Oceania was inhabited by the native peoples. Okay, and you have to remember some name of the native peoples, and some of these islands were first noticed by Ferdinand Magellan, who was a Portuguese sailor. During his sailing time, he when he round the world, the Dutch navigator Abel Tasman reached the island of Australia, New Zealand, Tonga, Fiji in the year 1644. Then later on 1770, James Cook touches the Sydney on the eastern coast of Australia. These are the main history about how it is discovered by these travelers. Okay. After that, British colony were established in Australia, New Zealand and Fiji. Okay, and next you have to remember some important point like the south of the this is lying to the south of the equator. The continent of the Oceania is located entirely in the southern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn passes through the middle of this continent. Okay, you have to remember this important fact about Oceania. Okay, now we discuss about the boundary of Oceania. The continent is bounded by the Pacific Oceans in the north and the east, and the Indian Oceans in the west, and the Antarctic Oceans in the south. And size, the Oceania is the smallest continent of the world, and its size is 8.51 million square kilometer. Okay, and there are some major lands, 4 major lands, and the thousands of the tiny islands is there. 4 major lands are like Australia is the largest one. Next number is New Guinea and New Zealand and Tasmania. Okay, next we discuss about the geographical importance of Oceania. Number 1, geographical importance. Oceania is in isolated locations in the southern hemisphere. The continent of the Oceania get Asia as a neighbor. The Southeast Asian islands are nearer to the Oceania. Number 2, there are no large forests is there, but mineral resources are abundant, and it has plenty of gold, coal, iron ores, manganese, bauxite, copper, nickel, zinc and uranium is also found there. Next, number 3, Australia is agriculturally developed. Despite of the presence of the large desert in the west, there is a desert in the west portions, but still Australia is agriculturally developed, and due to this artesian wells present some special opportunity for the irrigations, and which is facility the agriculture and the animals rearing. Okay, and you have to remember the name merino sheep produce the best quality wool, for which Australia is noted in the world. Okay, and number 4, abundance of raw materials have encouraged the development of industry in Australia. Industries are like iron and steel industry, engineering industry, machinery industry, automobile, shipbuilding, textile, chemicals, woolen industry, food processing industries is also there. Okay. Now we discuss about the regional divisions of Oceania. Oceania traditionally divided into the four parts. Number 1, Australia. Number 2, Micro-Oceania. Number 3, Melanesia. Number 4, Polynesia. Australia is the largest island of Oceania, and it is also known an island continent. Its total area is about 77,25,000 square kilometer. And next, Micronesia. Micronesia included the tiny island in the north of the equator of the central and western Pacific. And here some important island is Mariana, Carolina, Gilbert, Guam, and thousands of tiny islets is also present there. Okay, and Melanesia is a group which is included the island between the western New Guinea and Fiji. Melanesia are the black peoples with the Fiji hairs located there. The name is derived from these dark-skinned inhabitant. Okay, next Polynesia. Polynesia included Hawaii in the north and New Zealand in the southeast. Polynesia are the taller with the brown skin and dark hair peoples located there. Here some important examples of some island. Coral Island example is Marshalls and Gilbert. Volcanic island examples are Hawaii, Fiji, Solomon, Tonga, and Pitcairn. Next, broken part of continent examples are New Guinea and New Caledonia. Okay. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood. If you have any problem, please let me know. Thank you.